Jai Hind students, myself Ranjita Chaudhary, and today I will explain the topic surface chemistry. Unit 5. In this unit we will study about the surface chemistry. Surface chemistry, as you may see in this video, branch of chemistry which deals with the nature of surface and phenomenon that occur at the surface or interface. Means वो chemistry, branch of chemistry जिसके अंदर हम किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट या किसी भी सब्सटेंस की सरफेस की फिनोमिनन के बारे में स्टडी करते हैं, इट इज़ नॉन एज सरफेस केमिस्ट्री. Clear? Now there is a question here, what do you mean by surface? The term surface, our first question is, what is surface? Surface means surface chemistry, the branch of chemistry in which we deals the surface phenomenon of the substance. Clear? Now there is a question, what do you mean by surface? Surface, it is the most exterior part of any substance. Like in a liquid there is only one surface, while in a cubic structure 6 surfaces are here. Means these phases are known as surfaces. Okay, now there is a process. Now there is a process here, adsorption process. Adsorption means the accumulation. This is a substance A. When the substance B is accumulate or collect on the surface of this process is known as adsorption process. Adsorption means the accumulation of substance B on the surface A is known as accumulation or adsorption process in the surface chemistry. Now the substance which is accumulate B is known as adsorbate, BATE. The substance, suppose on substance A, B is accumulate. In this case, B is known as adsorbate, while A is known as adsorbent. Clear? The common example of it, if we adsorb hydrogen gas on the face of charcoal, on the surface of charcoal. Here in this case, hydrogen is known as adsorbate, BATE, adsorbate, while the charcoal carbon allotrope is known as adsorbent. Clear? Now there is how many types? Now the question is, how many types of adsorption take place? Adsorption is take place by two methods, by the physical force of attraction, when on the surface of A the B is accumulate by the physical force, it is known as physical adsorption. Clear? While when B is accumulate on the surface of A by the chemical bond, it is known as chemical adsorption. Physical adsorption and chemical adsorption, there are two types of adsorption process. Now the question arises in our mind that in physical adsorption, the process is reversible, means reactant convert into product, while product has the tendency to further convert it into reactant. Clear? Characteristic of physical adsorption. In physical adsorption, low enthalpy of adsorption is take place. There is no requirement of high energy, while in chemical adsorption, high energy, high enthalpy of adsorption is take place. In chemical, high enthalpy is take place, while in physical, low enthalpy is take place. Now, the next is reversible process. In physical adsorption, reversible reaction is take place, means reactant is converted into product, while further product has the tendency to convert into the reactant. While in the chemical adsorption, there is no reversibility. Reaction will be take place in unidirection only. Clear? Now the next point is effect of temperature. Effect of temperature is take place according to the type of reaction. Either the reaction is endothermic or exothermic. Next topic is lack of specificity. There is a word specific nature. What do you mean by specific nature? Specific nature means the things are required for the individual nature. For individual nature means like that. For example, like that a particular lock has a particular key. Suppose there is a lock, L for lock, and it is key 1 and this is the key 2. Key 2. Which key will be perfect for this lock? Key 1 is perfect for this lock, means it is the specific nature, specificity of lock that it required only key 1 and there is no use for K2 for this particular lock. Means for individual substance only individual factor will be required. These factors has been completed. In next video I will explain the colloidal salt, properties of colloidal salt according to the CBSE syllabus. Okay student, have a nice day.